Hey y'all, I just completed a pickup, an exterminator service. They got bought out by or merged with another company, so they're shutting down one of the locations. And I've been hauling away empty file cabinets, but they also had this. And it sounds like there's something inside, so we're gonna see if we can break into it. They didn't have the key, so they just said, yeah, just take it. Now, this is diamond plate aluminum. So there's already some good money here in just the aluminum. And then I think we're gonna have to get that off of there because, well, I don't know. Magnet's not sticking to that. So I was thinking that was gonna be ferrous. We'll check here in a little bit. All right, now, we got a couple of bolts here. See if we can get those off real quick. There we go. Now we got it going in the right direction. Huh. I don't know what's going on. We've had a helicopter flying around here for a while now. Must be something happening out there.
Roger, Victor 7, we've located the shark cage. All units converge on this location.
All right, now, get that trash out of the way. So they couldn't find the key, so we're gonna have to figure out a way to jack this open. Let's see. What else can I do to abuse a wood chisel? There we go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Let's see if we can figure out where the latch is down there. It's holding things up. All right. Woo. Now, let's see, what do we got going here? We've got a length of hose. So we could cut the brass off of there, I guess. Don't need hose. Especially something with still got water in it. And we've got, these are the little sign things, you know, they put the sign on here that says, we treated your lawn, don't walk on it for a while. What is this? This is a Trapper Rex. So this was a, hang on a minute. So this was a pest control company. So this was a trap. Watch this. This is going to be fun. Put a little bait in there, and then little mousey comes along and goes, yeah, baby. That's just plastic though, so not much to go there. And what do we have here? Pest defense. What are you? Oh, that's some sort of plug-in. I guess it hums or it makes some sort of vibration that bugs don't like. Interesting. Well, if nothing else, there's some brass plugs right there we can get. Got a couple more traps here. Not sure what that is. Oh, it's a measuring cup. And let's see, what else do we have here? We have some window trim, door sealer. That makes a lot of sense too, because you know, part of the way you keep bugs from getting in your house is just seal up all the cracks and stuff. Hey, we got some line. Man, we can always use some line for tying things down. That's good. Some more sealer stuff. Trash. And then this is for cleaning stuff, ducts, right? You know, you just screw that together, and there's another piece here. Now you got a nice long thing that you can shove up into a vent duct or something of that nature to clean it out. I'm actually thinking I might hang on to that. Yeah, I tell you, you never know what you're gonna find scrapping around here. And then we just have some more screws, some loose screws and stuff down here. So that's riveted in, the lock. And we've got this part here, that part, and then we've got the back hinge. But it's empty now. And that's, you know, I know that there's some people that would say, well, you know, why don't you just fix the lock or something like that? And nah, it's too small for the Sharkmobile, and I'm not going to mess around with trying to sell it. So we're going to cut the lock out of here, and we're going to get the, we may have to cut that off too, because they welded on that part of the hinge. So there'll be a little bit of metal left on this once ferrous metal left on this after we get done. Aluminum. How can that possibly be? This. So the pin here is ferrous, but this bracket's aluminum. Interesting. All right. Cool. All right. Well, let's get to work on this. You can tell that this was, shall we say, custom build, because we've got different size nuts and bolts. Now then, interesting. I'm going to check and see if that's stainless or aluminum. We've got no, we've got no reaction from the magnet. It's pretty lightweight, so that's, yeah, that's aluminum. That's, I'm going to check it with the grinder, but here, let's look real quick. I got to get the grinder over here anyway. Aluminum, aluminum. Yeah, those are all ferrous. That's aluminum, so that can stay. But these nuts are ferrous, so they got to come out even though the rest of the hardware is aluminum. Gonna make some noise. All right, more aluminum. So this is, so the threads are ferrous, but this part is aluminum. So we have to cut those out. And then this hinge, that hinge is aluminum? Really interesting. Yeah, that's aluminum, all right. Okay. So I have to cut this out, and I have to cut those guys out. There we go. So that was the ferrous bracket that was the securing point behind this. I think I'll make this one a little bit wider. There we go. I keep checking. Yeah. Aluminum. All right, now we gotta get that out. We do not have to get that out. I guess I can put that in with my breakage. All right. Now then, I want to get another magnet and check that hinge one more time. Ooh, I want to check that label plate too. Make sure that's not ferrous. No, it's not. It's not. All right. What I like about this magnet is because it's dangling, if there's any attraction at all, I'll see it right away. No. Nope. Interesting, that's an aluminum. Even the shaft that's running down the center of it is aluminum. Huh. All right then. We can take this in right just like that. Remember, anytime you can clean up your aluminum, you're going to get more value for clean aluminum than you will for dirty aluminum. Dirty aluminum being aluminum that has ferrous metal hanging on it. So it's worth the time to get your aluminum cleaned up before you take it into the yard. There's links popping up here to take you to more of my shark scrapping videos where you can learn how to get the most value for your scrap. And the round one that's in the middle, that's to help you to subscribe so you don't miss a single episode. Have a great day, everybody.